This is what my floor looks like after just one busy day at home. And instead of spending time vacuuming or mopping everything myself, I've been letting the Dreame Matrix10 Pro handle it. This is the Dreame Matrix10 Pro, a smart robotic vacuum and mop system designed to automate daily floor cleaning. It combines strong vacuuming, intelligent navigation, smart mopping, and automatic self-maintenance into one setup. And after testing it in different parts of my home, I can already tell this is built for people who want less manual cleaning in their routine. One of the most advanced features here is the Dreame's multi-mop switching system. The dock can store multiple mop pad types, and the robot automatically switches between them depending on the room it's cleaning. For example, it can use a stronger scrubbing mop pad in the kitchen for grease and tougher messes. Then switch to a different mop setup in the bedroom, and use another pad setup again for regular living spaces or wood flooring. And because the robot uses AI and LDS mapping to automatically recognize different room types, it can switch to the appropriate mop pads on its own. So the entire cleaning process feels much more seamless without needing constant manual changes. Let's start with the vacuum performance. I tested the Dreame Matrix10 Pro on cereal, crumbs, pet hair, fine dust. And the first thing I noticed is how efficiently it picks everything up without scattering debris around. With up to 30,000 PA suction power, the suction feels noticeably stronger on the carpets.
Proceed with cleaning task. Positioning. Please wait.
It automatically adjusts while moving across different surfaces, which really helps with deeper cleaning. Pet hair is usually one of the hardest things for robot vacuums to handle consistently, but it cleans this area surprisingly well. And after a full pass, the floor already looks a lot cleaner. The Dreame Matrix10 Pro can also handle floor transitions and obstacles up to 40 millimeters or 1.57 inches, and smaller thresholds up to 20 millimeters or 0.79 inches. Let's talk about the mopping performance. This isn't just lightly wiping the floor. You can actually see the Dreame Matrix10 Pro actively scrubbing while cleaning wet messes. The dual mop system spins at up to 165 RPM, helping remove tougher stains much more efficiently. I also tested it on dried stains and footprints, and the results looked much cleaner, even after a single cleaning cycle. It also does a really good job cleaning along edges and tighter spaces where dirt usually binds up. And once the cleaning is finished, the floor looks polished instead of just wet. One feature I paid attention to was the navigation. The Dreame Matrix10 Pro maps rooms really quickly. And with its AI camera and smart path planning, it moves around obstacles in a way that feels much smoother and much more natural. Instead of constantly bumping into things, it does a much better job recognizing and avoiding objects around the house. It also handles furniture layouts really well. And when cleaning corners or narrow spaces, it adjusts its movement pattern instead of just randomly missing sections. The cleaning path overall feels really organized and efficient. After cleaning, the robot automatically returns to the dock station. And this is where the hands-free experience becomes much more noticeable. The dock handles automatic dust collection and maintenance functions, so you don't constantly have to empty everything manually. It manages mop cleaning and water handling automatically too. The mop pads are washed using 100 Celsius and 212 degree Fahrenheit water, which helps break down grease and dirt much more efficiently. It also supports 3 different cleaning solutions: including general floor cleaning, pet odor removal, and wood floor care, depending on your cleaning needs. So instead of treating it like another chore, the whole system feels much more automated. After using the Dreame Matrix10 Pro, it's really become part of my daily routine. I've been running it while working, and the noise level stays fairly manageable. For homes with pets or heavy daily foot traffic, it helps maintain cleaner floors without needing that constant attention. You can also schedule cleanings automatically, which makes daily maintenance feel much more effortless. And honestly, the biggest difference is simply not thinking about floor cleaning as often anymore. The app experience is also very straightforward. You can see your room maps, customize cleaning areas, and manage schedules directly from your phone. You can also create a no-go zone or choose specific rooms for cleaning. And if you're away from home, you can still start or manage cleaning remotely. The controls overall feel very simple and very easy to navigate. If you've been looking for a smarter and more hands-free way to manage daily floor cleaning, the Dreame Matrix10 Pro is definitely worth checking out. I'll leave all the product information and the links in the description below. And let me know in the comments what feature you'd want most in a robot vacuum. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.